Hi everybody, today we're going to be doing a recipe called Melting Moments that has cornstarch in it. So you're going to gather all your ingredients that are listed right here first to start. Then you're going to want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees, while also you can line a baking tray with parchment paper on and set aside. Then we're going to get a large mixing bowl and right now soften some butter. And we're going to combine the butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla. We're going to combine that until it's creamy. And then in a separate bowl, we're going to use our cornstarch and our flour. We're going to mix the cornstarch, flour, and a little bit of salt until it's all together. And then we're going to mix in the butter sugar mix until it forms kind of a smooth, soft dough. From there, we'll mix the dough into balls and put that on our cooking sheet. And from there, you can take the tines of a fork and smash the cookies. After that, you will freeze the cookies for about 15 minutes, and then they're ready for the oven. And you're going to cook them for 15 minutes in the oven. Once they're complete, you can add some powdered sugar onto that. This is a recipe that you may not have known has corn in it.